swollen to, no one was right-sized anymore. Everyone was bigger than they should have been. But at the end of the day, when you look at this career is bizarre. People saying they respect you for your music, but then the validation that you get out there, it's unreal. It's like a fantasy. It's like these people think you're something more than you really are. So you got to stay grounded. It's like, God, I'm human, So something comes back again and knocks you back down and to reality, And you realize that I have a gift of playing music. That's what I got.